I have a Kitchenaid reefer ice maker that has a E5 error on 56. I replaced my ice maker unit, did not cure problem. I am still getting the.
When did you last replace your Kitchenaid ice maker's water filter? How old is the ice maker?
E5 error.
How long has this been going on with your Kitchenaid ice maker? What have you tried so far?
For 2 years, I remove the power and turn back on, E5 goes off, makes one ice cycle and error comes back.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No.
Thank you for using JustAnswer. My name is I am here to help. I am sorry you are having appliance issues. I know this can be frustrating. Also, I apologize for any wait time you may have experienced. 56E5 indicates the control board has reverted to a timed ice maker harvest, meaning it is based on time rather than temperature. This is likely caused by a slow or stopped ice fan, which does not normally run full speed. If the fan motor is dragging, it will account for the slower ice and the fault code. At startup, the control board runs the fan at full speed, then slows it down as needed. It may be too slow, due to wear, at the lower speed to help pull freezer air up around the ice maker.
Okay, I will try and check the fan. Will take a while, by the way. You get up before I do. Dave. No, don't call me, I will try this today.
Great.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.